Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go. On Monday, the price has returned back up slightly, not reaching the previous mentioned level, and that was 1.04700. But what has happened on Tuesday is a strong bullish candle that has reached this forecasted level last week and also break inside previous range area. The level the candle has reached is the upper side of these candles in the previous range area, and from there the price returned back down, making a retrace, and the retrace also was close to this level, this low level from this previous attempt to break on the lower side. From here we have a strong bullish engulfing candle reaching the price on the upper side of this previous range area and also closing the candle body above previous candles inside the range area, not including these two, which was also a false break on the upper side, and also reaching higher levels outside from the previous range area. This was also a good signal that the price have strength to break on the upper side on higher levels, closing above this previous range area, which means the price have strength to reach even higher levels. But on Friday, as usual, what we can see after a strong bullish move or strong bearish move, we have traders going outside of the trades and locking the profit before the weekend starts. And what we can see here is the price reaching a lower level, and this is the demand zone for around this 1.05087 support area, and then bouncing a little bit up. But what we can see here, the Friday day has closed also above previous candle's body in the previous range area. Even this has happened, this large engulfing candle reaching higher levels and closing the day above previous candles, and then also the Friday candle going down but closing above previous candle's body. We have the price right now back inside range area between these two price levels, and to be on the safe side we need to see the price outside of this range area. Is it going outside on the upper side or downside? For the next week, what we can see here is this confluence level of resistance, and on the upper side we have here also confluence of resistance. So the price have two resistance levels to break if we want to see the price on the higher levels. On the downside we have only one support level that needs to be broken to see the price going outside below down to 1.03920. Because of the previous week bullish moves, what we can see here, large candles on Tuesday and on Thursday and Friday closing above previous candle's body, I am more inclined to see the price reaching higher levels, at least here 1.06400, which was also higher level for this bullish breakout and also for this candle what we can see here. So this is also a downtrend channel resistance line, which is also close to this level. So we have three indications where the price could stop on the next bullish attempt to move on a higher level. Above this level we have here supply zone around 1.06736, where the price could bounce back down if the price makes a breakout on the upside first. For the next week I would wait for Monday to close to see where the price will move. Maybe the price will stay inside the price range area here, reaching lower levels and then going up and before breaking this confluence of resistance, or maybe the price will return back down and close outside of this price range area, targeting lower levels. But to target lower levels I need to see the price and also the candles reaching lower levels, closing the day here below these lows, and also the best is to see the price closing below these two candles bodies. From there we could watch on the price to retrace back up, reaching this resistance level and then going back down. But for now because of these strong bullish moves and the price reaching here, I will wait the price to reach higher levels here and then bouncing down, making a retrace down to this support level, which is now resistance, and then looking for higher levels. But for any of these two cases, I need to see the price making a move outside of this price range area. Until that happens, it is the best to wait and not to gamble with the money you have for trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!